First thing I love about the car is the look of the car. It's absolutely beautiful, absolutely amazing. Absolutely love the LCI lights, aka angel eyes. We got the 19-inch rims on there, M Sport rims, the M Performance brakes. As you can tell, the car needs a little wash. But one of the things I really love about the car is definitely the look of it. Very aggressive looking, wide hips. Gotta love that. The back of the car is truly wide. Absolutely beautiful. Love the exhaust pipes. The car is just absolutely beautiful to look at. One of the features I love most is the Harman Kardon sound system. Man, this thing sounds amazing. Let me load up some music for you right quick so you can see what I'm talking about.
Menacing, frightening, find help. Sometimes I scare myself. She could get menacing, frightening, find help. Sometimes I scare myself. Tweaking off that 2CB, huh? Is he gonna make it TBD, huh? Thinking on DMT, huh? See, this the type of how that won't come.
So that's one of the features I love, as you can tell why. Now, the crazy part is when you switch this thing to satellite music, when you switch it to satellite music, title sounds great, but man, check this out. Let me see, can I find something good real quick? You hear how good that sounds?
She worried about me, her nigga worried about. I wanna see her body. And she said, get inside of me. I wanna feel you, baby. Just bring the animal right out of me.
So that's one of the features that I love most about the car. The sound system is absolutely amazing. It's crazy how good it sounds. Another thing I love about the car is the seats. Seats are absolutely amazing. They got the M emblem in the actual seats. You got your extra extension for your legs, whatnot. You got your lumbar support, which locks you into the seat. The seat has a lot of padding, a ton of padding. It's extremely comfortable, extremely comfortable. You got your blue M stitching. It's absolutely amazing. The car is fully electronic. The seats are fully electronic. Movement forward and back. You got this amazing feature here where you just, you need entry to the back. There there you go. Back seats are comfortable as well, and it's actually more space than I thought. So that's one of the features I love, is the seat. Got the carbon fiber wing. Absolutely love that.